Hi everyone, here we are back in the workshop, and today we've got a little simple job to do. The guy brought round a window that he wants to put into it's an outbuilding in a garage place, but would you believe it, it's supposed to go up this way like that, but he wants it to go that way and open like that with a couple of chains on the top, which sounds just fine, no problems, except all the sills are wrong. So we've got to take these sills off and make some new ones to put on the bottom. Shouldn't take long. Let's get to it. Luckily that's stuck on the sill, I think. Quite often it's just made in one piece of wood when I make them solid, but that's a nice cheap one, so that shouldn't be too bad. Seems a good way to break a chisel. Just going to dash off out to my van and get my little bar. Here it is. Took a moment to find. Anybody else got a van like that? Right. That wasn't very nice, but that'll do. We can plane the rest of that off. Maybe even run it across the saw. Don't think there's any screws in it. No, that looks like an old piece of mahogany. That's a really nice old piece of wood. That window must be old. Do that in a minute. And this one, I don't know what that's about. Oh, there's no screws in there, that's no problem. We can put that across the saw. Right, over to the saw. There's enough space, that's going to be the bottom. There's enough space in the hole in the wall where it's going to put a piece of frame, something underneath that, bring it up a bit, and we can make the sill from there, rather than put it on the side. So that'll be a little bit easier. So we need a piece of something. About 95. That's 5, and we will need a sill, I guess. Well, 4 at least. Let's see what we've got. Let's have a look. Right, as you can see, I've cut the angle off that one. That will be the one for the window. But the sill on the bottom is a bit too tall. The blade's not going to come through it. So I shall have to put the fence on the other side, like that. And we'll just take a slice off of that from the other side. Of course, that little thing's going to be in the way now. There you go. And there you can see we've got a nice drip tray there, so when he's that way on, the water runs off, runs down, but doesn't come back on the wall because it runs off the drip. There, goes down. Same with that one. And that will bring it off of the window onto that one and that one down, and on we go. Bringing me their old junk all full of nails and rubbish. Usually throw it straight in the fire. But seeing as it's Kevin's, I better try to look after it. And the special sack for nails, glass, etc. We don't burn that. Two would be enough, though, those the hinges would be in the way. Screwdriver? Not at the moment, thank you, I'm busy. If you didn't get that, well, never mind. Countersink so the heads don't stop the window from shutting. Four. Where's my glue? French glue. And it says rapid. It's the only thing I've ever found that's rapid in France. Takes about 12 hours to dry. Sort of says it all really, doesn't it? There we go. I think that will be okay. Now we've got the window to do. We've got to remember the window, maybe we put the window in to do it. Otherwise we'll put the sill on the window and then it won't shut, which won't be overly helpful. Goes the other side, doesn't it? Yeah. That moved. So I hope that merits a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. It's really free. Honest, I won't charge you a penny. See you later. Bye for now.